الممثل الرائع مورغان فريمان، والذي يعتبر من أفضل ممثلي هوليوود، وفي فيلم وثائقي له قال:
The most haunting and beautiful sounds in the world is the Muslim call to prayer. What do Allahu Akbar. How about that?
أبي أعمل اختبار.
Have to work on that. Okay.
الممثل العالمي ليام نيسون، وفي مقابلة له مع إلين مقدمة البرامج الأشهر في أمريكا حول تصوير فيلم له في تركيا، قال:
Yeah, so you have been traveling a lot, huh?
Yeah.
And this movie takes place in Istanbul.
Istanbul in Turkey.
And how was that? It was beautiful.
It's a stunning city. It used to be in the old days known as Constantinople. It's the gateway between the West and the East.
Right.
It's rich culturally, historically, and there are 4,000 mosques. And the call to prayer starts at 5 a.m. every morning. So when you have your alarm clock set for 6 a.m., it's the first week it was a bit annoying.
Do you get used to it?
But by the second week, Ellen, it just gets into your soul.
Yeah.
It became the most magnificent wake-up call.
Beautiful.
Allahu Akbar.
And then when I was doing Taken 2 in Istanbul, the call to prayer, the Muslim call to prayer, starts at like 5 o'clock in the morning. So,
it's an extraordinary sound.
Wow. So the first week it was like, the second week it was like, oh, it's kind of quite nice. But the third week I was totally captivated by it. Loved it. So then I thought maybe Islam's the answer. So.
وغيرهم الكثير. ولم يتوقف الأمر على الممثلين، فهذه كيت هامبل مذيعة البي بي سي الشهيرة ومحبوبة الجماهير في بريطانيا، وفي برنامج لها عن الشرق الأوسط حدث لها ما يلي.
What timing! From every direction.
36 mosques in 1 square kilometer. And it's been calling for 1400 years.
Oh, it's beautiful.
And it is the same word from the time of the Prophet. And look, people closing their shops, and everybody is going to pray. Look, they're closing.
Just magical. Thank you.
You're very welcome.
It's such an incredible sight and sound that I find myself completely overcome.
And soon they will be reading Quran, and maybe one of them will be reading the story of Jesus and Mary, because it's in the Quran, and Moses. Look at the shop they're closing to go to pray.
أما جميلة اليوتيوب الشهيرة ديبورا غارسيا، وفي زيارة لها إلى جدة حدث معها ما يلي.
Desculpa, gente. Muito intenso.